In the frost-laden lands of Scandinavia, where the cold winds whisper ancient secrets, a mighty warrior clan lived, known globally as the Vikings. Intricately woven into the fabric of their culture was a fierce spirit of exploration and conquest that drove them to sail across the oceans of the world. Among these formidable Norsemen, a brave leader named Eirik stood at the forefront of their adventures. Eirik, known as Axebearer, was a towering man with fiery red hair and a voice that could command silence in even the rowdiest of mead halls. His courage and leadership were unmatched, and stories of his tactician brilliance in storming monasteries and villages were sung around flickering campfires. Yet, behind his hardened visage, Eirik was a man burdened with a notion of destiny. The narrative unfolds in the teeming trading port of Kattegat, where Eirik assembled his trusted circle, including the skilled shield maiden Astrid and his childhood friend Olaf, whose loyalty was as steady as the seas. News had reached them of a distant land, an uncharted paradise rumored to be blessed with vast riches. Enthralled by visions of wealth and legacy, Eirik charted a course toward this mysterious land across the treacherous waters. As their longboats sliced through icy blue waves, the crew faced harsh trials. Tempests challenged their resolve. Monstrous waves loomed like giants threatening to swallow them whole. Yet, Eirik's commanding presence steered them forward, his booming shouts of encouragement cutting through the storm. Astrid's spirit was a beacon for the crew, as her deft movements, both in battle and navigation, provided a sense of hope amid crumbling despair. Upon reaching the shores of the fabled land, they were not greeted by silence or an easy victory. Ominous forests stood menacingly as if daring the invaders to tread deeper into its heart. Eirik ordered a cautious exploration, with Astrid and Olaf leading the vanguard. Their steps through the dense foliage unearthed remnants of an ancient civilization. Signs carved on stones whispered of forgotten legends and warned against disturbing the land. As day turned to night, the Vikings found themselves ensnared in the mysteries that the land held. One evening, under the illuminating gaze of a full moon, they encountered spectral warriors, guardians of the sacred realm. Engulfed in mist and clad in ethereal armor, these spirits emerged with otherworldly grace, ready to protect what had been long forgotten. It was then that Eirik, with the wisdom he had gleaned from countless battles, realized that the treasure they sought was not to be claimed through mere brute strength. He approached the spectral beings with humility, speaking words that reflected his understanding of destiny entwined with honor. The spirits, recognizing the sincerity of Eirik's heart, revealed to the Vikings the deeper wisdom and knowledge contained within the land's ancient culture, offering treasures far surpassing gold or jewels, stories and insights that could guide and enrich their lives and those of their kin. The Vikings returned to their homeland, their holds not filled with the spoils of war, but with tales of honor and enlightenment. Eirik, Astrid, and Olaf became legends in their lifetimes, their names etched into the annals of Viking lore. They were celebrated not only for their martial prowess, but for their discovery of valor's true riches, a legacy passed down through generations, illuminating the spirit of adventure, respect for the unknown, and the ceaseless quest for deeper understanding.